These pigment mixing videos are exploding on social media right now, and this YouTube channel has gained more than 8 lakh followers just by uploading this exact style of content and pulling in millions of views. Let me show you how to make these in just 2 minutes. First, I had created a master prompt for you. You will find its link in description. Paste this prompt in ChatGPT. Then GPT will provide us 10 different video ideas to choose from. For example, we are going with third one. Then GPT will provide us 2 image prompts and a video prompt. Everything you need is right here. Copy prompt 1 and head over to Google Flow AI. Here, select image mode and choose your desired settings. Paste the prompt in the prompt box and hit enter. Wait a few seconds and your first image is ready. Add this image to prompt. Copy second video prompt from GPT and paste it here. Hit enter and your second image is also ready. Now, it's time to turn your images into a video. Go back to GPT, copy the video prompt. Return to Google Flow, choose video mode, add both the images to prompt. Select Omni Flash as your video model. Select video duration to 10 seconds. Paste the prompt in prompt box and click generate. Wait a few seconds and your pigment mixing video will be ready. Here is another one I had created using the same method. You can create endless variations using this method. If this video helped you, like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming viral niches.